Good morning, everybody. This morning we are headed off to do a main line here in Nashua. So wish us luck. I hope to see you at the end of this video, and sometimes I swear I'm living in Seattle. It's just constantly rainy here. So wish me luck, and again, hope to see you at the end. Thanks. Alrighty, so you want to give us the rundown about what's going on? And
Sure. So when we first moved in, we had a clog in the master bathroom here. But I had to choose the plunger and that went away.
okay.
It wasn't a big deal. Down here in the basement, I had another plumber come in already, and he said.
Who'd you have come in?
I get the paperwork upstairs. His name, but it was something Drain something.
The Drains R Us?
Or Drain Master.
Drain Master, I believe.
Okay.
So he said he snaked in from over here, and he got 32 feet before he hit a block that he couldn't get through, and then he said he went over to the toilet. And he said he took the toilet off, and he got about 3 feet in and up before he hit the block, and he poked a hole in it, but he couldn't get the whole block out.
And did he camera it or no? He couldn't see anything. It was in the water.
I don't think he cameraed it because he didn't really have too much info for me.
Okay.
He was like, I'm just going to charge you $200 because I couldn't do it. Oh, okay.
Do any other plumbing around this way? Just this?
So he said there was an access port over here. There was like access to the plumbing over here.
That's a showy spot.
It's in there.
You got a drum trap for the tub.
Yeah.
The sink drain, but there's a little, looks like a 2-inch or 1.5-inch cap near where the toilet is. I'm not seeing any other. There's no other indication of like a house trap or anything in there.
Right. You didn't get any plans on this house when you bought it, huh?
No. That's what he was wondering too.
No.
For the sewer line.
We can check the GIS system too. Yeah, that goes that way. Well, I mean, if this is this over here, Scott, this must be the upstairs stack, and it's going to either go out the side. Yeah, it's either going to go out the side or it's going to go out the back to an easement.
He said it goes up the back, I believe.
Yeah, we asked the guy out in the street. He says there's no sewer up in the middle of the street up there.
There's no sewer up there?
No.
Okay.
So these are the stairs right at that bathroom, so you can see if there's an outside cleanup.
Glass door back here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But they put this wall in?
They must have.
Well,
So-
it was either this window or that window they did. 'Cause I remember that, slide glass door.
Well, it's not going to go under the pool.
No,
This is,
that's the bathroom right here, right?
yeah. The only other thing it can do, Scott, is go out the side of the... The only other thing it can do is go out the side over on that end of the house.
Either that end over here or that way.
Right.
It sounds like a... something with... I remember there being something...
Hey, there's a clean out, Scott.
You got one?
I got one right here.
Very cool.
I wasn't here when the other plumber came, so I couldn't jog my memory in that.
Yeah, that's exactly what that is. It's an outside clean out. And it's full.
Yeah, maybe that with the wood on it and everything. I don't know anything about plumbing. I'm just guessing.
I mean, the wood on it's not going to really do anything. The only thing that would possibly do is potentially break that cover eventually, but it's not. It hasn't.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt it.
Right, that's not going to hurt it. What's going to hurt it is depending on the direction it goes and the type of pipe it is.
Would you pull the cover?
Did you pull this cover?
I did not.
No.
And
Somebody had to, because there's debris there.
well, it doesn't look like it's on very tight either.
No.
And it looks like it's been snaked before. See the wear on the side?
Yeah, so it
Maybe he just did it, but I
must
don't.
go that way.
That way?
I figure that way.
It goes out the back. It goes to an
out the
easement.
back. There's an easement out back.
See?
We got the plans on it right now. She just got it from the city. But you,
Depth of
there's
flow,
no,
4 feet.
there's no storage out here.
12-inch tile.
Yeah. Now across the street, there's they put houses in and they ran a pump line all the way up. They had to pump it up.
The easement's right here. I'm not seeing where there should be a manhole. So if you look, this would be the back corner of this house on this side. So from here, from this corner, it runs that way.
110 feet.
And then the easement's in between the two buildings
Right.
coming
So
up.
it runs 110 feet there and 139 feet there. That will give us the cross section.
Right, but from that clean out, we're pretty far.
I know.
We're gonna need the big machine either way.
Oh yeah, I know we're going to need the big machine.
It doesn't say anything about a pump or anything either.
That's the
Huh? Right, but that's a T, so we can go either way.
Yeah, I know. Why would you go inside?
Right.
Unless he was afraid he was going into the toilet.
So you wanna let's get the flashlight and flush that toilet and see if it goes by.
Alright.
Probably up front. You're cute. Don't eat me.
No, she's really friendly. She just plays stuff.
No, Scott, you got water here.
Backing up?
Yeah, you got water here. You got water here.
Is it coming up to the key yet?
It's past the T.
Alright.
So we're definitely gonna have to snake it. We're gonna snake it from here. The clog is definitely farther out. That's why it takes so long to back up. Electrical panel for the pool, or?
No idea.
Yeah, I think it's the electric panel for the pool.
Okay.
It looks like one.
I wish I knew
Oh
more
yeah,
about this stuff.
the conduit's going right down, so it's possible that that's what it is. The screen fell as I was trying to. Excuse you. Just kidding. I'm gonna plug it in, okay?
Yep.
Alrighty, there, plugged in. We have a hose here too, so
Alright, cool.
or I can go in and flush water or whatever.
Yeah. Well, let's start running and see what we come up with. But like somebody had to dig this out before because, you know what I mean, it's PVC too.
Right,
So somebody had trouble
but
with
they
it.
hadn't. All drains didn't see it, so.
Alright. Reno knew about this, so he probably wasn't here a year ago.
Right.
But he did say there was something fucked up. That's why I said probably camera back up there to see. After, you know.
Right.
Like
Well,
I
we
got a
can- we
feeling
can.
it's gonna be- I got a feeling there's going to be a separation back here.
Yeah. Well, I told him that it's probably going to be our best bet to camera it and see exactly what's going on or whatever. Do you want me to get the big lights so that we have more light under here?
You can if you want. It's really
I gotta get the camera.
Yeah.
No, we didn't put the clean out. All drains was here and they pulled a toilet on the inside because they didn't know this outside clean out was here. Scott and I were doing investigation and we found the outside here. They use a lot of T's on the flat, which we can't stand it when they do that because we get a lot of problems that way.
Right.
So, did you pull anything back?
Looks like wax.
Well, that toilet seal let go. He said he put a new toilet seal on there.
It doesn't look like wax to you?
If you drop the old toilet seal on
It is wax.
Yeah,
It's like a wax ring.
Yeah, I'm flushing it down the toilet.
Well, yeah, if it went down if he said it let go and then
But
he
still,
went
that should have
down.
been smooth going through there, and it's not, so.
Right, the wax ring shouldn't hold that up.
there. Right. Yeah.
Let's set this up and then I'll do my job. But this will give us information and tell us what we want to see and what we want to know.
I'm sure it's a good idea to have it done every once in a while anyway, just to...
Well, with the camera, you don't actually have to have this done every once in a while. It's better to have it just so that way at least once you know what type of pipe you have, you know what type of condition the pipe is in.
Do you typically, do you get any calls on like new home buyers requesting like
Yes.
the pipes get?
Yes, and actually we would recommend that new buyers do that.
Yeah. It's a little joint right there.
Yeah, it looked like it was just but that's not where he got hung up. Because I zeroed it out at the top of the cleanout here, and I'm only 18 feet in right now. So. See how you see all that black stuff on the pipe? That tells you that the pipe was backed up for a while. And that's just all the buildup and everything that was on there.
Yeah, that was like coming out of our bathtub.
Right.
Like, it looked like that anyway.
And this is a long run to where it connects to the city, so all of this has to fill up 80 feet before it even got back here to you guys, so. What does that look like?
Rock?
I don't know. That's plastic.
Yeah, maybe a piece of the pipe or something. The fitting?
That's what I was. Yeah, it looks like that. You can twist it. I mean, you definitely have root.
Yeah.
What is that? Scott.
Yes.
How the hell did that even get done?
What is that?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
A rock.
It kind of looks like, look at, I mean, you
Looks
got
like
a lot of root. But, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get past any of that. But is that a rock? Or is it looks like it might be the top of a clean out?
We're at 81 PCR, it's pretty close.
Right.
Let me go pull off that other cap and I'll see if I can see your light down there.
Okay.
And see if we can see anything, you know?
I mean, I
The
don't
only
know what
other
that
thing we
is.
can do is go down there and bang on the pipe again and figure out where it's got to be dug to take out.
Well, not even bang on it, I can locate it with the locator.
Oh yes, that's true too. You can do that too.
So we're at about 82 feet. I'm gonna turn on the locator. And we're gonna go and we're gonna locate. You're welcome to take a walk with us. I'll put you right in line with that one. I got you right here.
How deep?
3 feet, which makes sense because that one over there, according to the city, that's down 4 feet right there.
Yeah.
So, and I got him right here.
Yep, I was down.
It's possible you have 2 other issues, so deal with that one first, and then fix that one. Then if you don't have any other issues, you don't have any other backups, you don't have anything to worry about. If
Okay.
it backs up again, give us a call and we can figure out if it's inside.
Okay.
Alrighty, everybody. That does it for that one. The line's compromised. He's got roots. His best bet's gonna be to have that section replaced. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000. Alrighty? Just hit the button. That's all you gotta do. Thanks.